Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Ang sarap ng ulam ko. Ito oh. Yan. Tapa. Alam mo, tapa is the best talaga. Buti na lang no, bumili si Don Puldo ng ng beef. Ng beef na di mabangbang ang mahal niya. Naalala ko nga pala yung isang slice siguro nito is 80 or 90. Yeah. Kaya 2 slice, tigok na yung bulsa mo. Kaya salamat naman sa pa-beef ngayong araw na ito kasi nawawala na yung beef sa supermarket guys dahil favorite ko yung beef guys at ayoko ng oink-oink. Ayun, tinatanggal nila yung beef. Pero kung gusto mo naman is pumunta ka ng ibang supermarket, makikita mo yung ibang beef. Yun. So, alam mo, kamay is real, yeah. Mas maa-appreciate mo yung food if you use hands, yeah. That's why in Philippines, if we have a mukbang, we use hands, yeah. And I know that there's a foreigners in Philippines that they using hands too, like a Filipino. Besides, it's not only Filipino using hands, right? You cannot make food without hands, yes. And you're lucky that, oh my God, it's disgusting, but honest is, if you don't have hands, of course you need to use feet, yeah. But, they're still lucky that they continue to move and make their own food, yeah. Ang importante guys ay nilinis mo naman yung paa mo, di ba? Kasi yung paa na yan, nagwo-walk yan. You didn't know, shoes is more bacteria, yeah. Yung nagkukot sa akin guys, pasensya na kayo. Napapansin nyo ba minsan, if I say something, I need to stop and think. And some of that words that I say, it's wrong. Yeah, wrong grammar. It's because of my packing sheeters that there's a camera that I need to cover it, a lights here, and then apparatus of very very IDIOT neighbors, naughty as in as usual. They always follow wherever I go. Maybe it's first time in their life that they can see a woman like me, yeah. That's why they want to follow wherever I want to go and make trouble, yeah. And in that way, the window is open, there's no curtains, and if there's a curtain, guys, that they cannot see me outside, you know what they are doing? They have a satellite, spotlight that it's make your eyes irritating, yeah. That's their job in evening time, yeah, because they want to search where's your pussy belong, yeah, to the linta or to the animalizer people like them, yeah. Ayun, yung tinggil mo guys, kailangan nilang silipin at lintihin yon. If you want to catch fish in the river, you need to use a special kind of ano nga yun? Goggles, yeah. Yeah. Sa kanila guys, they have a special eyes that it's connect, yeah, collect, di ba? Connect to lights, yeah. Kaya wag kayong magtaka guys kung yung grammar ko ay wrong. Kasi ngayon guys, that's their job. They are focusing that I'm look and sounds stupid, yeah, in life. And you know what they are wishing? When Mons is not home and Janine is not here, they wish that all water here inside is cold, yeah. So you died for freezing and you cannot take a bath because water is cold. I experienced that here in Denmark too. You know how many days? I think it's a half days, but because I make announce to YouTube, to my YouTube channels, they turn it back. Yes, maybe because they are shy too, or they don't like that it's come out, the secrets come out to the world. Yeah, they do something different that they can hide so many things. And second attack, the first one is remove electricity. Yeah. first time of the history, ay second times in the history, guys, that electricity is gone in Denmark. But I think that time that when I was au pair in Copenhagen, that it's happened that electricity is gone. Maybe because they have trouble to foreign person too. It's like that if they make trouble, guys, they need to remove the electricity. So you're gonna feel panic, there's no signal for your phone, internet is gone, and you don't have any contact to your families. And then the third attack, guys, second third, poison, yeah. Poison in our waters inside the house, yeah. And then I report to one of my friends husband. Both of them is my friends, and it's Janine's ninong, yeah, godfather of my daughter. They remove the poison, guys. They're gonna be nice again, and then after a while, guys, they send Mons home, yeah. He is okay now after many months, maybe 1.5 or 2 months that he's not home. Honest is, I feel okay. Yeah. When they discovered that I have, she's fine. Rohelia's gonna be okay because she have a job 7 hours a week. And they make trouble too, yeah. Make me scared outside. So I feel panic all the time. They make races to drive very fast. So I'm gonna feel nervous all the time with a shot. Boom, sudden. It's like that. And then when they didn't success that, because I use live, they stop for a while, but evening time here, even that it's not New Year yet, they make a noise, gun noise, yes. How nice, no? It's a Gangnam Style, yeah. It's a Gangnam Style. Ayun, guys, tapos ayun, guys, they always attack me in food. And then when I don't have no choice because there's no water here, I decide to buy water in a supermarket. Well, it's the same, guys. My throat is feel different. My voice is sounds like robot. And then poison is to be continue. But you know what? I announce all of that. This stop for a while, yeah. Because if I died here, promise, all Filipino will ask a questions. Why you killed that Filipina? Yeah. And honest, guys, take note, it's not only one person is the victim here in Denmark. That's why I need to continue to report, guys, because if you give them chance to come out of these problems, for sure it's another bombing again, and they'll never learn something because this is their country and they are strong enough. Yeah, they have their own law. Yeah, their own law is if they want to kill you, they will kill you. Yeah, without reason. Yeah, what kind of crime you did that you deserve to die, death penalty? Yeah, that's the biggest questions, guys, in my mind, that since in the beginning I want to ask so many questions. Yeah, and I don't need to ask because I know that I cannot get right informations from other people because I know that they are scared to say something. That's why I need to discover self what they are doing to the people is victim for divorce here in Denmark. Yeah. And yun nga, guys, death penalty. Yeah. Death penalty is the best solution of their problems. Yeah. Kaya kapag pumunta ka dito sa Denmark, be sure na kaya mo yung kamatayan na susungulin mo, susuungin mo. I'm sorry, I'm not good. I'm not good to use Tagalog na talaga. O yun, guys, bye nga pala sa inyo, guys. I'm so maarte because I speak English today. Maybe because of this beep. Yeah. I hope that tomorrow it's still there because if I'm gonna be smart, I say that it's help. They will remove this to supermarket because I'm gonna be more smarter, not because of food. Thank you, Lord, for brainy brain that it's work. Because they are destroying my brain in how many years? Thank you, it's work. Like what they said in supermarket that, oh yeah, her brain is work. They know it's work, right? After what they done. Bravo. Very nice people here, guys. You can find out the reality of people here. They are nice to to in front of you, smiling like, there's nothing happen, but behind your back, guys, they have a lot of troubles, especially in evening time. Oh my God, my ears is very the noise, yeah. The noise, passport, right? Maybe they've been in different country. There's a record that the noise passport is not real. Yeah, the noise is real, guys. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so if you want to follow me, follow my life. Thank you to all my relatives and friends that they always keep praying to keep my life and my daughter safe all the time. Thank you to all of you. Thank you to all my subscribers. Bye, guys. Have a nice day and Merry Christmas to all of you. Yeah, bye.